Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. Sorry, we're having some fun here at the Christmas party. So today we're going to check out the Elehear Beyond Pro hearing aids. We're going to hear from John. I know, good hearing aid joke. So we're going to hear from John with his experience with these hearing aids. So John, how did you find the new hearing aids?
They're excellent. And there is a big difference between those hearing aids that you gave me and the last ones.
What sort of difference?
The difference it would be in the clarity and the sound quality is much higher, in my opinion. And also the battery life is longer.
Oh, really?
I've never had a problem with the battery life. The last ones wouldn't last as long. And I use them a lot. So I also use them to do courses online, listen to music. If I'm on Instagram or anything like that, they're terrific.
That's fantastic. So right now we're at a Christmas party.
We are.
It's pretty noisy.
Yes, we are.
I don't know whether you can hear me.
Oh, I can hear you.
Perfect. So how do you find it in a noisy environment like this, which is even noisier than a restaurant, I would say?
This environment's definitely noisier than most restaurants.
They would boot us out, I think.
Yeah, no kidding. Well, when I put them on this morning, I knew what the crowd was going to be like, so I adjusted them. There are different settings for different, you can take out, it can be just moderate, like every day. It can be if you're in a room with some other people, or it can be a restaurant or a crowded room, or more noise. So there's all different levels. Today I've got them set so it takes out a lot of the background noise. It's not the highest level, but it makes a huge difference. Because if you didn't have that, it'd probably drive me crazy.
Yeah,
but they're really helpful. Because I'll tell you, if I was in this room without them on, I wouldn't hear anything. Right. So it would just be like people talking, but I never hear them. So.
And what about for music?
The music's great. I listen to a lot of music on Spotify, YouTube, and Amazon Music. I've used them all. It's clear as can be. I've had different headphones. These are the best I've had, and which really surprises me because I don't know that that's their principal use, but it is for me.
That's amazing that they're good for that.
Oh, no, they're terrific.
What about phone calls? Have you ever tried them on a phone call?
Phone calls are terrific. In fact, I prefer to have them on when I take a phone call. If I don't, I have to have my phone on speakerphone. So it's very clear. You don't hear anything in the background. The other thing I noticed is my youngest daughter lives in England, and when she phones me, the first thing she noticed was, she said, "You must have your hearing aids in because I can't hear anything else behind you. I can hear you as clear as can be."
That's cool.
Which she said, she'd have to turn her phone up otherwise if she didn't. But
so overall, what would you say about these hearing aids?
The ones I have on right now are fantastic. I love them. I'm wearing them constantly.
That's great. Well, thanks, John. That's really good.
Thank you, Don.
So there we have it, the Elehear Beyond Pro hearing aids. Check them out. There's a link in the video description down below. Talk to you later. So here's what comes in the Elehear Beyond Pro kit. The hearing aids themselves, they come right in the charge box. They just pop in there magnetically like that. And they're color coded. There's red on the right and blue on the left, and that corresponds with a little stripe that's on the hearing aid itself. When you pop them in, or when you open the box, there's a little LED that shows the charge level on the hearing aids, and the box has its own charge level that you can see right there. It's fully charged. The charge box holds approximately 4 full charges for the hearing aids. So if you're going away for a weekend, it's got enough. You don't have to bring your own charger. It is charged with a USB-C power source, and they provide a cable for that. It is not inductive charging. I don't think that's a big drawback, but I thought I'd mention it. All right, I'll talk about the hearing aids themselves in a minute. Let me just cover the rest that's in the kit. So I mentioned there's a power cable. It also comes with a variety of ear domes, and I'll show you those in a moment, and wax guard replacement tools. There's a total of 8 there to replace the little earwax guards that are underneath the ear domes, and a tiny little cleaning brush with a little probe at one end, and for some reason it's magnetic. All right, and There's a quick start guide, a full manual, and some other literature as well. So let's look at the hearing aids themselves. They're very small and compact. There are 2 microphones on them and a little switch here that is volume up, volume down if you just want to quickly adjust the volume levels. And that also doubles as a power switch if you do a long press on it. Now you don't really need that power switch because they turn on automatically when you take them out of the charging case and turn off when you put them back in. And then on this end of the little wire that you can adjust for your ear and for your comfort is the ear dome. So you get a great selection of ear domes with this kit. There's 4 different sizes of closed domes. The one that's missing is actually on the units. 4 different open ones with little vents. 1 pair of tulip style and 2 what are basically double domes, are sometimes called power domes, that provide better sound isolation if that's what you're after. Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. So today we're going to check out the Elehear Beyond Pro hearing aids. So there you have it, the Elehear Beyond Pro hearing aids from Elehear. Check it out. There's a link in the